Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Cooking with Crystal. Today we are making a classic Indian sweet that's perfect for Diwali or any festive occasion, Besan Ladoo. This is a simple yet delicious recipe and I'll walk you through every step. So let's get started. The ingredients are 500 grams of besan, which is 2 measured cups, 125 grams of sugar powder, measured to half cup, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 7 tablespoons of ghee, and that is approximately half a small bowl. Let's start by adding 4 tablespoons of ghee to a pan and heat it on low flame. Once the ghee is nice and warm, add the besan. Now the key to a good laddu is in the roasting. So keep the flame low and continuously stir the besan for about 10 minutes. This helps to roast it evenly. After 10 minutes, add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. Mix well to ensure there are no lumps and keep roasting for another 5 minutes. Then add another tablespoon of ghee and mix again and cooking for another 5 minutes. You'll notice that the besan starts to change color and releases a wonderful aroma. That's when you know it's cooked. Remember, adding the ghee step by step ensures the besan cooks evenly and forms a smooth, thick consistency. Once the besan is nicely roasted, take it off the heat and transfer it to a plate. Let it cool for about 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure it's not completely cool but just slightly warm before we move on to the next step. This will help the sugar powder mix in more easily. Now that the basin has cooled down slightly, add the powdered sugar and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything together thoroughly. The cardamom will add a lovely fragrance and enhance the flavors of our laddus. Once everything is mixed well, it's time to shape the laddus. Take some of the mixture and roll it between your palms to form a round smooth ball. Repeat this process until all the mixture is used up and all the laddus are ready. For the final touch, add small pieces of cashew on top of each laddu for a bit of crunch and a festive look. And there you have it, your delicious laddus are ready to enjoy, just in time for Diwali or any special occasion. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Home Cooking with Crystal for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking and wishing everyone a happy Diwali.